Today you will learn how to change page color in Word for only one page. If you go to the Design tab and click on Page Color, then choose any color, Word will apply that color to every page in the document. If you want to change the background color of only a single page, click on the Insert tab, select Shapes, and choose the rectangle shape. Now, draw a large rectangle that covers the entire page. It doesn't have to be perfect, but make sure it covers the page area. Once the rectangle is selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Click on Send Backward, and then choose Send Behind Text. This will place the shape behind all the text on the page. To change the color, click on Shape Fill and select any color you like. If you see a border, click on Shape Outline and choose No Outline. To make sure the colored background stays in place, click on the shape again, go to Position, and select More Layout Options. Under the Position tab, uncheck Move Object with Text, then click OK. This prevents the background from moving if you add more text to your document later. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.